What's up, my friends? Aloha, and thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, drop them in the comments box. This is a real quick and dirty video I'm going to make for you folks. I shot a video yesterday on how to completely tear down, how to detail strip the TS12, and in the video I stated that I wasn't going to take apart the piston because I really didn't see any need to do that. True to nature, somebody asked me, why didn't you show that? Could you please show that? And because I'm all into engagement and talking story and conversation with all you guys out there on the channel, I'm gonna do that. So if you want to see how to fully tear down the TS12, I hate to like send you guys all over, see this video, see that video. I do have a video I just made on that. I'll put it in the description. I'll try and set a link up here. I also have a video on how to field strip this, but this video is just going to be how to take apart the piston once you've gotten it all ripped apart. So here we go. Okay, I'm shooting this through my camera, so it might be kind of funky, but here you go. You've got your barrel, your mag tube assembly, everything disassembled, your TS12s in pieces over there. All you're gonna do is grab this guy right here, and there's a little notch that this fits in. I don't know what any of these parts are called because there's no schematic online or anything like that. We just lift it up. So you see this it fits in here like this. Just lift this up, pull everything out. Okay. I showed this in the cleaning video. You're gonna take this retaining clip off, pull this out, and then this piston comes up. As for this guy, all you're gonna do is slide this forward like this. This comes apart. Your spring, piston, and the ring. And that's it. Real easy, real simple. There is kind of like a lip on this ring here, and the lip part is gonna face forward. If you know with your TS12, when you go to shove your charging handle in, it kind of jingles around in here like that. So this is good. You want to put this guy forward just like this. Okay, and then the spring goes over. This rod is going to come right into these guides. You can see right there, just like this. Okay, and then you're going to go back in first, stick the spring inside the rod, and there's two holes here that this guide is going to fit into, just like this. Okay, and once you got that in, just push this back, just like that. Easy. All right, my friends, and that's it. Real easy, real simple, how to take apart that piston assembly. Like I said, I don't really think that we need to go in there for any reason, but now you can if you want to. Anyways, that was a subscriber requested video on how to do this. Stay tuned for more on the IWI TS12, and I'll see you guys next time. Aloha.